Welcome to Session 24, Cumulative Assessment and Error Analysis. This lesson develops mathematical reasoning that stays reliable when a problem looks unfamiliar. You will learn to complete a cumulative timed assessment, to analyze uncertainty as well as errors, and to build a targeted retake plan. These are connected habits, not isolated tricks. Keep a pencil ready. We will build a mental model, use a repeatable method, solve a demanding example, diagnose an error, and finish with an independent checkpoint. Start with this principle. A score is evidence. Error patterns explain what to do next. Use this visual structure. Perform is greater than classify, is greater than correct, is greater than verify, is greater than delayed retake. Read every symbol and label before calculating. The first goal is to complete a cumulative timed assessment. Connected to the second goal, analyze uncertainty as well as errors. Correct calculation begins with correct interpretation. When the surface details change, search for the same relationship underneath. Transfer means choosing the structure from evidence rather than waiting for a familiar-looking example. Step 1. Work under consistent conditions. State the target and preserve its units or conditions. Step 2. Record confidence and pacing checkpoints. Use a separate line so signs, factors, and labels remain visible. Step 3. Classify every miss and correct guess. Keep the reasoning efficient, but never skip an operation that could hide an error. Step 4. Delay the retake until targeted practice is complete. Verification is part of the solution because it tests the answer from another direction. Signal 1 is high minus confidence miss. Respond by remembering. Inspect the misconception first. Name the response before calculating. Signal 2 is correct guess. In that case, rebuild the method. The form tells you which tool fits. Signal 3 is several surface minus different misses. Remember, search for one shared cause. This separates plausible work from valid reasoning. If you cannot name the signal, pause and classify. A deliberate choice of method is usually faster than repairing a rushed setup. Here's a challenge. Part 1. Accuracy is high, but Part 2 has many blanks. What is the most likely priority? Restate what is requested before touching the choices. The first move is, work under consistent conditions. Apply it directly to the quantities and conditions in this problem. Now use the core reasoning. Blanks in the longer section point to pacing and completion. Keep each equality, comparison, or unit conversion visible. Pause for a midpoint audit. Check copied values, signs, units, restrictions, and whether the current result is the requested quantity or only an intermediate value. Continue by applying this control. Classify every miss and correct guess. The explanation supports one option without relying on its position. The mathematical conclusion is calculator minus section pacing and decision strategy. State it with any required units, interval notation, or restrictions. The final answer is calculator minus section pacing and decision strategy. Compare it with the exact target and reject any choice that represents a common intermediate step. Verify from another direction, solve a fresh parallel item, and explain the correction aloud. The check should use evidence independent of the original calculation whenever possible. Try this checkpoint without copying the example. What defines a high minus quality final correction? Decide which mathematical fact controls the answer. Pause and write one line of reasoning before committing. A visible decision is easier to inspect, explain, and correct than an unsupported guess. Focused hint. Mastery requires understanding, evidence, and a plan for retention. Use the hint to repair the setup, then finish the reasoning yourself. The accepted answer is correct reasoning, independent verification, and a scheduled next action. Explain why it works and name the earliest line that would reveal a likely error. The central message is to complete a cumulative timed assessment. Combine that with the discipline to analyze uncertainty as well as errors. Finish by remembering to build a targeted retake plan. A result becomes dependable only when the method and verification are both clear. Reflection. Which single habit would prevent the largest group of your errors? Name the exact point where an incorrect path would first become visible. Practice one fresh problem for one protected cumulative practice block. Keep the work readable, verify independently, and carry the routine into the next session. Before moving on, close the notes and explain the method aloud from memory. Then invent one small variation, predict how the answer should change, and verify that prediction with a complete calculation.